Hello everyone, how you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iPadOS 15.3.1 and the iOS 15.3.1. What's new in these updates? Apple have released these updates, and is it worth installing these updates on your devices or not? My name is Jay, you are watching Tech Hype. Let's get right into today's video without wasting any more time. Alright, so Apple released iOS 15.3.1 and iPadOS 15.3.1 with security updates and bug fixes. According to the release notes that Apple provided, this update actually fixed the screen responding issue. There were some screens that were not responding on iOS 15.3. It will fix that issue. Also, there are important security fixes that you should definitely go ahead and install this update. Basically, 15.3.1 is a security update and security patch. It does not mess up anything with your performance or your battery life. Now let's talk about what else Apple released today. Number one is macOS 12.2.1. The build number is 21D62. Then there is iOS 15.3.1 and the build number of that firmware is 19D52. Then iPadOS 15.3.1. The build number is the same as iOS 15.3.1. Then there is watchOS 8.4.2. The build number is 19S553. Alright, now let's talk about AirTags. Yes, it's been a long time we have talked about AirTags, and recently, if you have not really heard that these news and articles, there are a lot of articles and news out here which is saying that a lot of people are using AirTags to track people, which is really scary considering the AirTags are just so damn precision and so damn good in terms of tracking. It just leaves you on spot on where your item was. So it is really scary that these evil people have all the access of this AirTag tracking thingy and all. Apple also know about it, and they actually released a patch and iOS 15.3.1. Keep your device on iOS 15.3.1 and your AirTags will be automatically updated to the latest firmware to get all the new security patch features and all. Yes, there were some people who were also talking about watchOS, so let me just talk about watchOS update real quick. The watchOS update is just really minor, even more minor than the one we got on iPhones. We don't have much to talk about in the watchOS department, but some of you guys were having some screen always on screen bug on the previous version of watchOS, so it seems like that this bug is fixed on the latest firmware of watchOS. That's pretty much it for this video. If you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button and like this video if you enjoyed. Peace out. I will meet you all in the very next episode. Peace.